Ever feel like your study time is a jumbled mess, jumping from history to algebra without a clear plan? It can be overwhelming, leading to less learning and more stress. The most effective way to organize dedicated study blocks by subject is to create a structured schedule that balances focused work with strategic breaks and review periods. This ensures consistent engagement with each academic area and prevents burnout. This organized approach works because it leverages key principles of cognitive science, specifically spaced repetition and task-switching efficiency. Our brains thrive on dedicated focus to build deep understanding in one subject, but also benefit from revisiting topics over time to strengthen memory pathways. Trying to multitask between different subjects often leads to shallow learning and an inability to truly master the material. First, begin by assessing your current workload for all subjects. List out upcoming assignments, tests, and any areas where you feel less confident. Then, estimate how much time you genuinely need for each subject in a given week, being realistic about your available hours. Next, allocate specific time slots in your weekly schedule for each subject. Consider grouping similar subjects, like different sciences, or placing subjects requiring deep focus earlier in your day when your energy levels are highest. For example, you might dedicate 90 minutes to math on Monday morning, 60 minutes to history on Monday afternoon, and then 80 minutes to science on Tuesday. Within these blocks, use focused study techniques like the Pomodoro method, which involves 25-minute work intervals followed by short breaks to maintain concentration. Make sure to schedule dedicated review sessions where you revisit material from all subjects throughout the week, reinforcing what you have learned. A powerful technique to incorporate is called interleaving, which means mixing different types of problems or topics within a study session, rather than just drilling one type repeatedly. For instance, instead of practicing only addition problems for an hour, you could interleave addition, subtraction, and multiplication practice. This builds adaptability and helps you recognize patterns, making your learning more robust. You are not just memorizing facts. You are building a flexible network of knowledge for each subject, making information retrieval easier and more efficient. By intentionally structuring your study blocks with dedicated subject time and strategic review, you transform chaotic cramming into a powerful, predictable system. This ensures deeper comprehension, better retention of information, and significantly less study stress, ultimately boosting your academic success and freeing up more of your valuable time for other activities.